So over here, you can see that I have Excel right here. And let's say what I want to do is, let's say if I were to type a number right here, the grade should be displayed for that particular marks right here as I want. So in that case, I can actually utilize DeepSeek for that. So let's say, for example, I have 65 in column A, 1. So let's say I want the grade in the cell B1 right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say in Excel in A1, I have the marks value. In B1, I want a formula to display grade as display, let's say, student grade as per the marks entered right here. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it says you can use the if function right here, and it simply gives the if function right here, like A1 is 90 and above 80 is B, and so forth. So I can simply go ahead and copy this, and let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and paste this, and you can see that now I got this grade. So if I were to say, let's say 89, then it's a B, and so forth. So I'm just going to go around and say add A plus, A minus, and so forth for all the grades as well. So if I were to go ahead and do that right here, then it'll go ahead and modify out the marks as well. So you can see that it says the grade includes A plus, A minus, B plus, B minus right here, and so forth right here. So there's up till D plus, D, and D minus, and then you can see that it determined this particular values right here. You can also give the values yourself if you want to. So let me just go ahead and copy, and then I'm going to go ahead and then paste out this formula right here, and you can see that I got a B plus. Press 67, and let's say, for example, 50 right here, and that is how you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, add in the marks, and you get the relevant grade accordingly, just like that. And that is how you can generate out Excel formulas inside of a DeepSeek as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.